I'm going to show how to prepare the installation disk. First, go to Google and search for download Windows 10. Choose the first option, then scroll down until you see the Create Windows 10 Installation Media. Click Download Now. We have to wait for a couple of minutes. Then, the applicable notices and license terms will appear. Before you click the accept button, please read this so you know what you're agreeing to. Then click Accept. Wait for a couple of minutes. Choose the second one and click Next. Click Next. Choose the ISO file and click Next. Click Save. Now, we have to wait until the download process is complete.
Hi, now I will show you for the step 2, which is installation of virtual machine. As you can see, I already have the installer, but for those who doesn't have the installer, you can go to Google and type VMware Workstation download. And then you need to wait for the preparing VMware Workstation for installation. And then the VMware Workstation Pro Setup interface will show. Click Next. And then after you read the agreement, click I accept the term in the license agreement. And then you have to click Next. Next. Please keep pressing Next and don't change anything until it's shown like this and press Install. We have to wait for a minute. It might take a while. After that, it will show that they already complete the VMware Workstation Pro Setup wizard and click Finish. And there you go, you got the VMware virtual machine.
For the first step, we choose create a new virtual machine. We click Next, 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 Next. Make sure it's a Windows 10. Next. For the professor, we choose 1 and the number of core per professor, we choose 4. Next. We choose 4 GB. Next. We choose use anywhere. Next. 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 Create a new virtual disk. Next. Next. Make sure it's a Windows 10. Next. Finish. We wait until the loading. We go to the edit virtual machine setting. click here. We choose CD, DVD or SATA. Use ISO image file prompts. We choose for window file, Windows, iOS, ISO, open, and we click here. Wait for the loading. Power on this virtual machine. Click here. Now we wait for the loading. We go next. Install now. It takes a moment, so we just wait. So we click here. We choose Windows 10 Pro, and we go next. We click this one, and we can scroll down, can read, and go next. We choose the second one, and we click next. Wait for the loading, for the install. Yes, we choose United States. Yes. For a keyboard layout, we choose US. Yes. Now we can put our email. Put here. Then go next, and we can enter the password. Password here. Click next, and we can create a pin. Let's wait for the loading. Create a pin. New pin, we can set for any pin we want. Confirm pin. And we click OK. Just wait for the loading. Now we just not now. Can setting later. We wait for the loading. We can choose our privacy. Set. We can choose for customize experience. Remind me later. Decline Microsoft. Decline. If not else, not now. That's all for the install.
Hey everyone, so in this part I'm going to show you how to setting up your operating system. So first thing first is you need to press the desktop icon, click Windows and click the settings and search for personalization, and then go to themes and then scroll down, and then you need to find the desktop icon settings. And then what you need to do is you need to select all of the desktop icon, which is users files, computer, network, cycle bin and control panel, and then proceed to push the button apply, and then OK. Next, I will show you the system management. First, you need to search for the system information. Click open, and then this is your system management, everyone. And then all you can see is here hardware resources, components, software environment, and all of the others. Next, I will show you how to perform this partition. Click on this PC, and then you need to right click and turn and push the manage button. And then go to the disk management, and then right click, and then you need to push the extend volume. Wait for a second, and then just follow the instruction and follow the flow. Push the button next, and then finish. And then we will wait. And then we got the new volume. And then when we back to the folder, we can see the new volume. Yay! We got the new volume, everyone. So this is your new disk volume. And then we're done. Next, I will show you how to set up your virtual memory. Click on the control panel, and then you need to click at the system security and find the system. And you just scroll down, and then you will find the advanced system settings. Click on settings, and then click on advanced, and then go to change, and then unclick on the automatically manage paging file, and then custom size, and then you need to follow the flow, and then you will set, just follow the MB that you want, and then click OK. And then click apply, and then you click on OK. And then you will restart now, and then your computer will be restarting. So everyone, we're going to create a user account right now, and then we're going to go to the settings, and then we click on the account, and then we go to the family and other users and add someone's account. Just a moment, and fill in your email. And you're good to go. Next, I will show you how to share a folder. First, what you need to do is you click on share, and then you need to click the specific people, and then you will click on the email that you just put just now, and then just follow the flow. And then your file is shared, and then click done.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Izo Alisa and you can call me Iso. Next, I'll show you how to change your computer name. First, you have to find your information in your computer. You have to go to setting and click about. Then you have to click rename this PC. And you can rename your PC with a new name. Next, I'll show you how to run Task Manager. First, you have to search Task Manager on Windows and click it. It will show you current running program on your device. These are all the running Task Manager that are working on your PC. You can see CPU, you can see memory, you can see disk, and Ethernet. You can also see your app history, startup, user, details, and services.